How are you today? I hope you're doing fine. Okay, it's me again, Teacher Arlene from Happy Elementary School. For today's lesson, we will talk about earthquake. Can you please say it again? Earthquake. Right, earthquake. So, we already knew that Taiwan is prone to earthquake, right? But the question is, do you know what are you going to do if there will be an earthquake? Okay, so we will talk about the steps or the safety precautions that we need to do if there will be an earthquake. Okay, first one, drop. Everybody say drop, drop. Okay, very good. We have to drop our hand and knees to the floor because it is the safest way to prevent ourselves from falling down. Okay, I'll show it to you. Okay, drop, drop, drop like this, okay? And then it prevents us from falling, and we can safely move to a safe place like under the table. Next, cover. We have to cover our head, our neck, and our entire body if possible. Just like this one, we can go under the table. We have to cover. Everybody say cover. Very good. The next step is hold on. Just like this one shown in the picture, a guy is holding into the table's leg until the shaking stops. Hold on, and we need to wait until the shaking stop, okay? Next one is, these are the words that we talk about today. Drop, drop, say it again, drop, yes, cover, cover, and hold on, okay? We will do it again. We have to stand up. Everybody stand up, and when I say drop, we have to show it, okay? Drop, drop, very good. Okay, next, cover, everybody, cover. You're doing good, kids. And the last one, hold on. We have to hold on to we need to find a hard object like the leg of the table to protect ourselves from falling objects. Okay, one more time. Drop, cover, hold on. Good job, kids. Okay. What if the earthquake occurs and we are outside our house or outside the school? What are we going to do? Okay, we need to remember that we need to stay away from tall, heavy objects which may fall on you. Like this one, an electric post, or maybe a tall building or a tree. So we need to stay away from it, okay? Stay away from falling objects. Next one is, if we have a friend or a family or you, if you are using a wheelchair, we have to remember 3 words also. The first one is lock. We have to lock the brake of our one is, if we have a friend, a family, a classmate, or even you, if you are using a wheelchair, we have to remember 3 words also. First one, lock. We have to lock the brake of our wheelchair. Second, cover. We need to get something hard like a book to cover our head to protect us from falling objects. And the last one is hold on, okay? Hold on. We will do the same thing. Lock, cover, and hold on. Next. Okay. So, today, there are times that the cause of earthquake is due to volcanic eruption. For today's activity, I will show you how it looks like when a volcano erupted, okay? So, these are the materials that we are going to use. A cardboard, soda, scissors, food color, a Mentos candy, plastic bag, and a tape. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first one is we need to get a cardboard and we will make a cone. A cone, yes. We will make a cone like this one. We will make a cone and we need to use a tape. Okay. Tape. And then we have to cut the other end of the cone using a scissor. Remember, be careful when using a scissor, kids. Okay. I will make a small cone. Okay, like this one, a cone. Okay, and we need to get our soda. Okay, we have to estimate the size of the cola to our cone. Okay. Next one is we need to cut the tip, this one. We need to cut the tip of the cone. Just like this. Okay, but I need to cut more. Okay. Another. Okay, I think this one is much better. Okay, we're done with the cone. Now we need to get a plastic bag. A plastic bag, we will wrap the cone using our plastic bag. Okay. Okay, so I need more tape. And one more. And then I have to open the soda because later on we will put the candy. Okay, I will put it inside, and also we need to put our food color to show you the lava, the liquid that will come out of the volcano. Okay, and then I also brought some toy dinosaur, so our mini volcano would look like more realistic. Okay. Dinosaur toys. Okay. Okay, and some rock. And then, okay, so this will be the final step of our mini volcano. I will put some candies. Okay. Are you ready, kids? Can you please help me count? this is the final part of our activity for today. We will put on the Mentos candy. Can you help me count, kids? Let's count 1, 2, 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. Oh, wow! This is how it looks when the lava comes out of the volcano. Do you like our activity for today? Okay, I hope you have the fun. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you, kids. Goodbye.